The cost of getting it wrong in marriage is far heavier than the cost of waiting for the right one. People will mock your age. They will say all your friends are married. When will you settle down? But never let societal pressure you into a lifetime decision. Many rushed into marriage because of societal pressure. Now they live in regret. Some marriages ended in betrayal, some in abuse, some in heartbreak. We have seen husbands abandon wives after cancer diagnosis. We have seen wives betray loyal husbands. Not every wedding leads to peace. Marriage is not a race, it's a destiny decision. The Bible says, but they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up wings as eagles. Waiting is not weakness. Waiting is wisdom. Real love sent by God brings peace, purpose, and protection. Think about Sarah and Abraham. They waited on God's promise and God fulfilled it in His perfect timing. There are real people today who waited patiently, prayed faithfully, and ended up marrying partners who honor, support, and love them deeply.